kick we have not covered yet is a spin kick. You have to understand that on a spin kick, it is the most telegraphed kick you can possibly do. I hope if I ever get into a fight, my opponent throws a spin kick. The spin kick, first of all, the head has to go first.
Hey, Jimbo here. If you're enjoying Paul Vunak's groundbreaking R.A.T fighting system, then I've got an exclusive offer that's tailor-made for you. Just become a member of our YouTube community and you'll get immediate access to the rest of Paul's R.A.T series and a lot more. Becoming a member is simple. Just visit our YouTube channel's homepage and click on the join button located on the right side of the page. For just $2.99 a month, you'll instantly unlock all the remaining videos in Paul's R.A.T fighting system. And there's a lot, along with member exclusive benefits like discounted merchandise and special pricing, members only polls and surveys where you can actually help shape the content, behind the scenes photos, status updates, and an insider's peek of upcoming projects. Your name listed in the credits of our YouTube videos as a testament to your support. Loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and live chat to showcase your dedication. And of course, access to a treasure trove of special videos that you won't find anywhere else on our page. So here's your chance to help out our Fight Fast channel while also getting Paul Vunak's entire R.A.T fighting system. Join now and I'll see you inside.
Then the shoulders. Then from here, the kick comes. So it's really not a difficult kick to intercept. When you see that coming, so many things have to go first. For example, if I wait and block on a spin kick, I'm seeing all this telegraph material, waiting for it to come and then blocking. Or if I just get out of the way, that's just defense. Okay, throw a spin kick. That's just getting out of the way. That's not going to do any good. That'll put a Band-Aid on a problem. If I block it, which is probably worse, then we're going to be in a fight. So I just wait until I see him move, and I just intercept. I just come straight in with that shot. In reality, I can use a knee into the back of the bone, the cock kicks. You can push the opponent. You can come in with a blast. You can intercept with the right hand. You can intercept with a jab. Again, Jack, come in real slow. Boom, just right to the back of the head with a jab. Again, Jack. Right to the back with a good cross. Doesn't matter what you intercept with. But when you see the guy loading up, that's when you intercept it. Now we're going to execute the defense against the spin kick. Doesn't matter if it's a spinning side, spinning hook kick, spinning crescent kick, spinning heel hooks. The fact that I'm spinning, I'm turning my back on you. The moment you see my back, that's when I want you to apply your technique. I'm not going to actually execute the kick. I'm just going to do the spin. When you see my back, you go.
Quick announcement. I've got some ultra brutal fight ending moves that I am not allowed to share with you here. They're ugly, vicious, lethal moves. They're also surprisingly simple to learn. Outside the U.S. Special Forces, not a lot of guys know these. But when it hits the fan and your life is on the line and you need something truly nasty to end a fight in a couple of seconds, you're gonna wanna know this stuff. It's brutal hand-to-hand training that's yours for free. Just get to the description below and click on the link. Okay, back to our video.
Now for our high roundhouse kick. The hands are up already. we're already in position to do the block or the destruction. As the kick comes in, all I want you to do is just lean one way or the other. It's not the end of the world if you block the left kick with your right hand or the right kick with your left hand, but generally try to stay on the same side. If that kick comes in, go here. If this angle comes in, go here. Once you've done your destruction, then you're going to come in with your blast, then you're going to end the altercation. Okay, Ryan. Good. The moment you destroy the kick, where the elbow is raking up on the shin bone, then when the opponent puts pressure on the leg, it's very difficult to walk, very conducive to the straight blast. Now our last roundhouse kick is going to come to the face. Again, when you go to the face, you're always exposing the groin. In this particular case, because our hands are up and we're in Thai boxing position, it's very easy to just angle the direction of the kick and use an elbow destruction against the shin. So get up on your toes, move around. This technique does not require a lot of movement. It's very simple. Just go with the angle of the kick. Give me an elbow destruction on the shin. One of the most important principles you can have as a fighter is the ability to differentiate between a fake and the real thing. When you move around, one common denominator with most great fighters is they have a great fake. And once they can fake you out and get you to flinch, then they can come back with combinations and the fight's over. So being able to differentiate a fake from the real thing is one of the most important points. And this drill is going to show you how to do that. I'm going to move around with Jack. I'm going to throw my jab. His appropriate response would be, when he moves around, just raise back and block it with the elbow. Or destroy it, I should say, with the elbow. As we're moving around, if Jack sees that it's a fake, he's going to do nothing. Jack will just back up. So every time it's a fake, he's just going to back up. Every time it's real, he's going to actually put the elbow up to destroy it. By doing this, Jack will be able to differentiate a real from a fake jab. Good. When we're attempting to differentiate between the real strike and a fake, the most important facet is just repetition, flight time. That's the only attribute that gives you the ability to actually know the difference between a fake and the real thing. You gaze into the opponent's chest, you move around, and you see blows coming at you. The more blows you've had come at you, the better your line familiarization is, and the better you'll be able to differentiate.
Don't forget about those deadly hand-to-hand moves. This training is yours for free from the link in the description. I honestly don't know how long I'll be allowed to give this stuff away here, as it's pretty over-the-top stuff. So get to the description right away.
Now it's time to put it all together and spar. I'm gonna go a little bit slow round one. I want you to keep an eye on my footwork, gaze into the chest, try to see what's coming, use the appropriate interception or destruction.
Final notice about that lethal fight ending training: it's simple, easy to learn, and devastatingly effective training taught to special forces, but typically not to civilians. You can get it free in the description. Just hurry. I doubt very much that this will be around for long. I'll see you inside.
Now in this next round, I'm gonna pick up the speed a little bit. If you miss a blow, just keep going, pretend like it didn't happen, and do the appropriate interception or destruction. Okay, let's get rolling.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.